Hi, this is Gilles, the radio prepper. This is a video to my subscribers and future subscribers. It will be deleted later, but you know, I pay for most of the gear I test with my own money, and it's getting a little difficult. And this is why I would like to ask you guys who watch my videos regularly to just help out a little bit, maybe $1 a month. And this is why I signed up with patreon.com/radio prepper. So please go there and have a look, and there will be extra content and B-rolls, video previews, and extra material there that will not be accessible to non-subscribers, just to help create more content for this channel. One guy signed up out of our 2,500 subscribers, and you know who you are, and you're awesome. I will also probably post rants there that are not politically correct for an open YouTube channel, so you might want to have a look. So help out this channel, please. Have a look, patreon.com/radio prepper, and I will see you soon. Have a good one.